If this video reach 2K views within 1 week, 10 of my subscriber will given free documents to apply Netherlands visitor visa. Hi everyone, I am happy to have you on my channel Fly Dream Immigration, where I share important information which can help you to move abroad. In today's video I am going to tell you about how to apply Netherlands visitor visa successfully without any agents by yourself with the help from your mobile phone. But before I continue, now will be good time to subscribe my channel and activate notification bell so you won't miss the next interesting video where I talk about how you can move abroad in work, study and visit. That is, if you haven't subscribed to this interesting channel. Now let's start how we can apply visitor visa by ourselves. First we need to see what's the requirement for the visitor visa in Netherlands. For this, open browser and type Netherlands visitor visa requirements. Pick any website and read the information, then make a list of documents required to apply for visitor visa. First, passport cannot be older than 10 years. It must have at least 2 blank pages to attach your visa. It must be valid for at least 3 more months starting from after you leave Netherlands. Second, citizenship and tax ID. Third, photo 2 passport size photo taken in the last 6 months. Fourth, visa application form. The application form must be completed, dated, and signed. Fifth, hotel booking. You just need reservation of hotel booking. Sixth, flight reservation. You just need a dummy flight reservation ticket. Seventh, travel insurance coverage up to €30,000 which should be valid in Schengen area. 8th, 6 months bank statement. You must provide an original copy of your bank statement which must be stamped and signed by an authorized bank official. 9th, if you are employed you have to provide 3 months salary slip, employment contract, no objection letter and tax return (ITR) form. If you are self-employed you have to provide copy of your business license, your company's bank statements for the last 6 months, income tax return (ITR) form. If you are a student you have to provide proof of enrollment at your educational institution, no objection letter from your school or university, ID card and tuition fees slip. If you are retired, bank statements from the last 6 months. 10th, cover letter. You have to mention your details and explains the reasons why you want to travel to Netherlands, how you intend to fund your trip and why you will return to your home country. A to Z. 11th, trips itinerary, where you plan your activities in the country. 12th, visa request letter. You have mentioned the main reason of visit and put contact details and signature it. 13th, embassy appointment date. You can book appointment from VFS global website. For making this video short I will only explain the important part which you don't know, so let's start. Hotel booking. You can book hotel without paying anything. Did you know that? Let me show you how to book any hotel without paying anything. Let's open browser and type agoda.com, then open the website and click on hotel. After click hotel it will take you this page where you have to write Netherlands and it will show you list of city in Netherlands. Select the city. In second paragraph select the check-in date and checkout date, and in third paragraph select 1 room 1 adult 0 children and click on search. And remember, while choosing hotel don't choose the expensive ones, choose the cheaper ones as you can find. Then select your hotel, then scroll down and select room. While selecting room you can see payment method. Always choose pay at the property. After you click it will take you to this page where you can fill your details in. First put your name, in second email ID, and in second paragraph select your country code and write your number, and then select your country. Then scroll down and click payment method and put your ATM card number and slide it. Then you will receive an email with your hotel booking. Now let's move to next one, how to make trips itinerary. For this, open the same application we used for booking hotel. Open the Agoda application and click on activities. Then in here let's write Netherlands and select the city and click on search. As you can see there lots of trips. Now take screenshot or write it down in your copy about these trips because we will mention these trips in our cover letter. Now let's move to next one, how to write cover letter. I will show you in screen how it's written. As you see in the screen it's a cover letter. Take screenshot of cover letter and try to make same like this. Now let's move to next one, how you can make salary slip, employment contract, and no objection letter of your company. I will show you in screen how it's written. As you can see in the screen it's salary slip and this is employment contract and this no objection letter. All you need to do is take a screenshot of these letters and make a letterhead of your company and paste it, and remember to stamp the letters and signature it from your HR manager or from your MD. Let's move to next one, travel insurance. You can make travel insurance online as well as you can make it from travel agency. For making travel insurance online let's open browser and write Travel insurance. As you see, there is lots of travel insurance company. Let's choose reliable ones, so let's click on policybazaar.com. Let's open it now. Right, Netherlands, and click on next. Now select the travel dates and click on next. In this page, click on 1 and select your age, then click on next. In this page, it asking you, do you have any pre-existing medical condition? If you have, then click on yes. If you don't have, click on no, then it will take you to next page where you have to put your mobile number and click on view plan. Then you can see the list of travel agency and price of the insurance, then click on which you want to buy it. Before buying, remember we need €30,000 coverage. Select only those. Now let's move to next one, how to book flights reservations. You can make flight reservation from travel agency or by yourself. If you want to book online, open browser and write flight reservation for visa. As you can see, there is lots of website. It charges some amount like $25 to $50 according to website, but if you want you can make it from me also. Now let's move to next one, how to fill visa application form. For this you can watch my video how to fill visa application form from your phone, or open browser and type Netherlands visa application form and download the visa application form and start filling up. Now let's move to next one, how to book embassy appointment date for VFS Global for visa. For this also you watch my video how to register in VFS Global and how to book appointments, or open browser and type VFS Global Netherlands and start registration and start booking appointments. All links are in description. You can check out last one, how to write visa request letter. For making visa request letter, as you see in screen, this is visa request letter. Screenshot it and write as I wrote in your own style. So now we know what's the requirement of Netherlands visitor visa and how to make document. After completing all these documents, go to VFS Center and apply your visitor visa. If you need my help, I can prepare all these documents within 5 to 10 minutes, but services charges will added, which is non-refundable. If you like the video, please like and share it with your friends and family, and if you still haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it.